Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple ID verification codes not sending to your phone number for iOS 18.5 and above, of course. So the first thing I want you to do right now is go to your settings, making sure that we have the latest version. Since we're talking about iOS 18 or 18.5 and above, we need to make sure we have the latest one by going to settings, and then on general right there, go for software update. And as you can see right here, I currently have the latest version of 18.5. Now let's talk about the problem. You're not getting your verification codes, and how can we fix that? Let's talk about how it looks like first, and this is how it should look like. The first method I'm going to teach you is click this one. If you click on didn't get a code, it will send you an SMS or a text. Next problem. For example, you're using a weak Wi-Fi connection. So I suggest look for a stronger connection and basically turn on your airplane mode just for a while, around 10 seconds, and turn it back on. Maybe a network refresh is the one to go through. Once that's done, there's going to be a high possibility that you're going to text moving forward. Because the usual problems of not getting a verification code is weak signal. Alright? Now, another thing you can check is check on your other Apple devices. For example, if you have an Apple Book, check on that one as well. Now, for example, everything is still not working, I suggest you want to go to Apple support. By giving on your browser, I'm going to go for Safari. I'm going to click on Apple support right there and tell them what's going on here. So I'm going to use an iPhone right here and tell them what's my problem. And basically, this is the last resort. However, the first few methods I gave you will sort this out. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.